Hi there, it's Carolina from KZ Body Shape. Are you fed up of feeling unfit and out of shape? Would you like to get fit, tone up and maintain a healthy weight? If yes, try my free Get Fit, Tone Up and Maintain a Healthy Weight class and feel your body changing after just one session. This high-intensity interval training will tone and shape your legs, your bum, your abs and your upper body, make you burn loads of calories during and after the workout, and help you lose some weight if this is what you want to. And this workout is for everyone. There's plenty options so everyone can build and grow and have loads of fun during the workout. All you need to do is press that button below, book my free Get Fit, Tone Up and Maintain a Healthy Weight class, fill in all your details and I will get in touch to confirm the date. So one more time, press that button below, book my free Get Fit, Tone Up and Maintain a Healthy Weight class and I will get in touch. Have a lovely day and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!